In today's unboxing, KingKong Mini 3 is a new small rugged smartphone from CUBOT. The smartphone has a very compact dimensions. The IPS screen is 4.5 inches diagonal wise, draws energy from a 3000 mAh battery. This tiny smartphone comes with an excellent MediaTak 8-core Helio G85 processor, which is very good even for playing video games, although this is not the primary purpose of the smartphone. As its robust model, it's of course waterproof and resistant to dust and shocks. In accordance with IP68 certified, it also has a 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory, expandable by micro SD card. As for the front camera, it is 5 megapixel, while the rear one is a 20 megapixel. Otherwise, it runs on Android 12 OS. And the great news is that it also supports NFC. You also have a chance to win 10 KingKong Mini 3 phones. The 10 giveaway winners will be selected. You will have 8 ways to enter. The more entries you get, the more chance you will win in this giveaway. CUBOT's official links are below this video. How to card the new KingKong Mini 3 now and get notified. Will premiere on October 17. Stay tuned.